there is a lot we don't understand about solar eclipses. There is even a mathematical mystery about the Foucault pendulum surrounding this, where it actually alters its direction during a solar eclipse, and it's not supposed to do that. According to their science, where they tell us that it follows the rotation of the Earth, for some reason it stops following it during a solar eclipse. Does that make a lot of sense? Not really.
In 1954, Marie Soleil reported that a Foucault pendulum exhibited peculiar movements at the time of a solar eclipse. In the marathon experiment, Marie Soleil released the Foucault pendulum every 14 minutes for 30 days and nights without missing a day report. During the eclipse, the pendulum took an unexpected turn, changing its angular rotation by 50.5 degrees. And open your mind to our electric world. During the eclipse, the pendulum took an unexpected turn. And open your mind to our electric world.